Hi there, students. Nomenclature. Nomenclature. A great noun. Nomenclature is a noun. Yeah, it's a countable noun. It can also be uncountable, I guess. Let's see. Nomenclature is a really posh word to say the way to name stuff. Okay, nomenclature, a way of naming things, a system, particularly in fields of science or maybe in arts as well. So I remember at university and at school as well, the nomenclature of organic chemistry. There's a very specific way of calling chemicals, depending how many carbon atoms they have and the bonds, methane, ethene, etc. Okay, so nomenclature is just a way of naming things, a particular system, yeah, or the set of names used for a particular field. For example, in painting and the arts, there's very clear nomenclature about colours. Yeah, colours have names. Yeah, and there are a huge number of colours with very specific names, and they're very specific colours. Let's see. Plants, plant nomenclature. Yeah, they have different ways of naming plants according to how they grow. Yeah, their habits and where they grow and things like that. There's usually a lot of Latin in that. Or, for example, the system of naming of animals. Yeah, there's a very specific nomenclature about that. Or for viruses, or even for genes. Yeah, there are specific systems in place to call things. Okay, so nomenclature, the devising and choosing of names. Yeah, so the Linnaean system for naming animals. Yeah, or all of the names or the system of naming in a particular science. Okay, and that's the idea of the nomenclature. Yeah, it's the process effectively of naming things, assigning names to different things. I guess you could even have a nomenclature of human beings. Yeah, if you make a mistake in the nomenclature of a mushroom or a fungus, you can get into a lot of trouble. Okay, so nomenclature, terminology, the vocabulary, the classification, the taxonomy. Okay, nomenclature, formality. I'm going to give this a 7.5. I might even go up to 8. Don't use it informally. Names, naming, way of naming stuff. I'm not sure I would use it in a semi-formal conversation either. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing, and I think no more. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin, or is borrowed from Latin, nomenclatura. Okay, nomen meaning name, and calare meaning to call. So the calling of names, the way something's called. Yeah, the nomenclature. Okay, so the set of rules to name things. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Nomenclature.